Every day, the Fat came to the station to catch his
Train.
Hello!
He always said to Thomas,
Diddy boom.
What the fuck?
remember, don't be you can never be as ugly. There were lots of putting them into place. All called two strange things his driver called. That's the Thomas. Breakdowns offer lifting heavy things like the Fat controller. Goods offer weighting fat things like Henry.
When you get so fat.
Serves you right.
That's not funny.
One day, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly, he heard an engine whistling. Help! Help! A goods train came rushing through much too fast. The engine was James, and he was frightened. His brake box were on fire. They're pushing me, he panted. On, laughed the trucks. Still whistling, help, help! Poor James disappeared.
What the fuck?
I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson, said Thomas Engine, and came to the tank. The alarm came on. James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly! Thomas was coupled on, and off they... Thomas, wait! You forgot the whole fucking train. Oh, shit! James's driver and fireman were feeling him all over
Disgusting.
to see if he was hurt. Never mind, James, they said. It was your fault. But he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed.